Hello and welcome to Blue Brick 33. So I'll be giving my initial thoughts on the new LEGO Ideas Typewriter. Now this set will retail for $200 in the US. It's coming out on July 1st, but if you are a VIP, you can get early access on June 16th. It is geared for ages 18 and up and has 2,079 pieces. The typewriter has a bunch of functional elements in here, which are really cool. And all the keys move down. And the color of the sand green, I definitely think that looks good. And it's nice. But I do wish right here there's smooth tiles instead of studs, just to make it look even a little less unlike Lego, to make it more of an amazing display piece. But that's not really a big deal. And here's the 18 plus packaging box. And here's just what the set looks like. And every time a key is put down, the thing in the middle will go up. And just more pictures of different angles of it. And you can even put like a piece of paper in it. And then when you type the keys, the carriage will move. And then you couldn't just set it back. And that's pretty hard to do. And it's pretty cool how you do that. And here's just a top view, some of the printed keys. And it's really nice that they are printed. Here's like a shift key, video. Okay, and here's this picture of it. And it comes with a letter that you can put in the typewriter. Like it just typed up this letter, which is pretty cool, that you get from Lego. Here's just another picture of it, someone holding it, or just like someone typing from it while holding it. And one thing that I noticed is I'm pretty sure that there's no like base right here. That's how they're able to make it like sideways, so you could see a little bit of the table through it, which I don't think it's the worst because it makes it pretty smooth, but it would have been cool if they were somehow able to make it that way. But I think it probably would look better how they made it like this. Just more pictures of it, someone typing. There is part of the letter that you get, and just here's another picture of it. Here's some of the mechanism in the inside. Here's someone building it a little. Someone building it more. Again, another picture of someone building it. Again, another picture of someone building it. And also over here, the keys, they look a little bit kind of like the piano. How that function worked. But it's like not like the exact same, but they kind of have the same mechanism, like with keys going up with the keys. And here's just another picture of it. Another picture of it displayed. So I'm putting it on the shelf. Picture of it being displayed. A picture of the back. Another picture of it. Picture of the top view while building it. Someone just like finished building it. And someone displaying it. And that's all the pictures. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on the typewriter like this. And bye!